Mastering phrasal verbs. Let's look over. Look over. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of phrasal verbs. Today, we're going to look over an interesting phrasal verb, which is look over. It might sound confusing, but don't worry, we will explore its meaning and usage together. So, let's get started. In English, look over is a phrasal verb that can be used in various contexts. The basic meaning of look over is to examine or inspect something, usually quickly. When you look over something, you're reviewing it or checking it, often in a non-detailed way. Here's an example. Before the meeting, I quickly looked over the agenda. In this sentence, looked over suggests that the person did a quick review or check of the agenda before the meeting. Now that we know what look over means, let's discuss how to use it. The structure is simple. You just need to follow look over with the object that you're examining or reviewing. The object can be a noun or a pronoun. Here's another example. Can you look over my essay before I submit it? In this sentence, look over is followed by the object, my essay, indicating what needs to be quickly reviewed or checked. Remember, look over suggests a casual, often quick examination, so it's not usually used when a detailed, thorough inspection is needed. Even though look over is a pretty straightforward phrasal verb, it's easy to make a few common mistakes. One common error is confusing look over with overlook. Despite the similar words, these have quite different meanings. While look over means to examine or review something, overlook means to fail to notice or disregard something. For example, I looked over the report, but I overlooked the typo on the second page. In this sentence, looked over means that the report was reviewed, but overlooked means that the typo was missed or not noticed during the review. And there you have it. Now, you have a good understanding of the phrasal verb, look over. It's a great tool to use when you need to express the idea of quickly examining or reviewing something. Remember, English is full of these wonderful little phrases, and understanding them will take your language skills to the next level. So, keep learning, keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to look over any English text with ease. Thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Happy learning!